So one of the things that you need to take into account with your openings on a commercial project are your ADA requirements. Now, one of the things that you'll often see is a recess in the closing jamb. This is a timely product, and it's great because that recess means that when the door is closed, it's preventing anyone from seeing any imperfection in the level of the door. So when it's shut, there's no line of sight or light leakage that you'll see. Now for ADA compliance, you need 32 inches of clear walk-through. So you need to take that ½ inch that the recess takes away from the clearances into those calculations. The other thing that you need to ensure is that you have at minimum 4 inches of protrusion of the door into the opening. Now that's so that when the D-pulls or the levers are fitted, you actually have enough room for the operation of the hardware. So when the building inspector finally comes through to sign these openings off, what they test with is either a flat palm or a closed fist. When Cavity Sliders does the shop drawings for these openings, in order to ensure that the door protrudes the required 4 inches, we actually make the pocket that 4 inches shorter. So instead of putting a track stop in the back of the frame and having 4 inches of air gap, we actually just make the pocket basket 4 inches shorter, so it's backing out on the padding and the back stud to leave and guarantee that 4 inch protrusion. So 4 inch protrusion, 32 inches of clear walk through, and you're safe as houses.